Hi, I'm Jose Souto, here at Westminter Kingsway College with Flint Flame knives. So what we're going to use today is we're going to use a fork, so it's basically a carving fork, and a carving knife. Carving knife's long and nice and slender, nice and sharp. Yeah, the fork, a great implement for basically holding things, especially when they're hot straight out of the oven. We're going to cut a chicken today. So here we go, pick up our chicken, straight out of the oven, and then it goes onto our board. We want to get 4 dark portions and 4 white portions out of it. So we'll start off by taking the legs off the chicken. Using the knife, just hold onto the leg, open it up slightly, and pull it away from the carcass. Turn it over slightly, and then cut round the bottom of the carcass just to pull that leg off. It will come away quite easily when you're cutting it. Just see how easy it comes away there. We'll cut the second leg off, and again, just cutting where it actually meets the breast. And again, just turn it over, pull, and cutting that one away. Simply, easily comes off. Turn it over now, and we've got the breast that's left on the bone. Pull the 2 little winglets off. We don't need those. Again, they're the chef's bits. Have a chew on those later. And now with the breast, we've got the 2 individual breasts on it. So what we do is come down one side of the breast and very carefully with the knife, just cut straight through. The knife will glide through because it's lovely and sharp. And that gives us 1 portion of white meat. Put that down. The other side, do exactly the same. Just cut straight across, cut down. We're going down to the joint at the end where the winglet is, and it gives us our 2nd portion of white meat. Now, turn the chicken over and cut straight through the middle of the chicken. Straight down. Take the carcass off, we don't need the carcass anymore. And then the piece that we've got left, just cut that into 2. Again, the knife will glide through it because it cuts through sharply and easily. So it's another 2 pieces of the white meat. Going back to the legs, turn the legs over and cut them in half. So we've got a drumstick and a thigh. Look at that, straight through. Such a sharp knife, it works phenomenally well. The drumstick goes with the first part of the breast that we cut off, and then the thigh goes with the 2nd part of the breast that we cut off. Again, take the other one, do exactly the same. Cut through that. Again, that's one there, and that's one there. And that's our 4 portions from a chicken using a great Flint and Flame carving set, both with the fork and the knife.